Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about convenience, portability, and practicality. The Convenience Kit's International Women's 15-piece kit, featuring travel-sized beauty and grooming essentials. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who likes to stay prepared, this kit promises to be your on-the-go solution. Let's break down what it's all about. This pre-assembled kit is designed with travel in mind, offering TSA-compliant toiletries in a reusable zippered bag. It includes trusted brands like Pantene, Dove, Crest, and Palmer's, covering everything from hair care to oral hygiene. With 15 thoughtfully curated pieces, it's positioned as an all-in-one solution for business trips, vacations, or even gym sessions. I took this kit for a real-world test during a short weekend getaway. Setting it up for use was as simple as tossing it into my luggage. No extra packing required. The clear zippered bag made it easy to find what I needed without digging through my suitcase, which was a lifesaver. Each product did exactly what you'd expect from its brand. Palmer's lotion was hydrating, Pantene left my hair feeling clean and soft, and the Crest toothpaste provided the reliable freshness we all want on the road. However, the size of some items, like the shampoo, might feel limiting for longer trips, as they're strictly travel-sized. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: the kit's variety is impressive, with all the basics covered in a compact, organized bag. The use of reputable brands gives a sense of trust and reliability. And of course, the TSA-compliant sizes eliminate the guesswork for air travel. Cons: while it's convenient, the preset selection might not cater to personal preferences. For instance, if you're loyal to a specific shampoo or deodorant brand not included, you'll need to pack extras. Additionally, the reusable bag feels a bit thin and may not withstand heavy use over time. When it comes to value for money, this kit falls somewhere in the middle. For its price, you're getting an assortment of name brand items, but the cost might feel steep compared to purchasing individual travel-sized products that better suit your preferences. However, the convenience of having everything pre-assembled could justify the expense for those with busy schedules. Comparing this to other travel kits on the market, its standout feature is the inclusion of well-known brands. Many competitors offer generic or off-brand products that might not deliver the same quality. However, some kits at similar price points provide sturdier bags or slightly larger product sizes, which could make them a better fit for specific needs. The materials and build quality of the kit are adequate for occasional use, but don't expect the bag to last through repeated trips without showing wear. While the individual products hold up well due to their branding, the bag itself could benefit from a more durable design. The brand's reputation for travel kits speaks volumes. Over 25 years of experience in creating pre-assembled kits means they understand the needs of travelers. While I didn't interact with customer support, this long-standing presence in the market is reassuring. If you're looking for alternatives, consider assembling your own kit with travel-sized products that cater to your specific needs. Brands like Muji or even drugstores offer compact containers and essentials at a lower overall cost, though this requires more effort. So, what's the final verdict? The Convenience Kit's International Women's 15-piece kit delivers exactly what it promises: a ready-to-go set of trusted essentials for short-term travel. While it's not a perfect solution for everyone, especially those with specific product preferences or long-term trips, it's a solid option for busy individuals who value convenience. It's best suited for those needing a quick, reliable solution for on-the-go grooming and hygiene. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tips. Thank you for watching today's review. You can find the link to this product in the comments below. If you've tried this kit or have any questions, share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay radiant and keep your beauty routine as seamless as possible with Beautyistic.